Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find accounts and backup. As you can see here, we've got whole Google Drive section, and actually only one option is to backup data, so let's tap on it. And here we have to tap on account. If you cannot see this option, no worries, it just means that the backup option is inactive. So all you have to do is to just tap on this switcher and then you can tap on account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. So just make sure that you've got that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, for example, or you use your own mobile data. And be patient, let's wait. And as you can see here, we've got the option to create account, so you can tap on it if you do not have your Google account yet, or simply you can type your email or phone, and let me do it. Okay, now we can tap on next. Actually not, I've misspelled it. Okay, now we can tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let me tap on accept because right now we've got listed all of the things which were previously shown. So the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. So just tap on OK, and as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device. So it means that from now on, all the content, all the mentioned content will be stored on the Google Drive. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.